Hi everyone, I would like to welcome all of my old and new subscribers worldwide. Today's video will be based on a full face soft neutral green smoky eyes with nude lips. I'm using 3 Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes for creating this look. All the products that I've used will be listed in the description area below. If you are new here, I encourage you to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy this kind of content. If you would like to see how I achieve this look, then stay tuned. As usual, I'm going to be starting off by filling in my eyebrows according to their natural shape. Next, I'm going to be setting them into place by using my eyebrow gel. Next, I'm going to be cleaning up my eyebrows with a clean Q-tip. For the next step, I'm going to be using MAC's Paint Pot in the shade Layin Low to serve as my eyeshadow base. Now I'm going to be blending that out with my fingers. Now I'm taking Anastasia Beverly Hills palette and I'm going to place the shade Credit onto my crease in the outer corner area. Now I'm going to be using another Anastasia Beverly Hills palette called Cosmos, and I'm going to be mixing up 2 light brown shades to blend out my crease. Now I'm going to be using another Anastasia Beverly Hills palette called the Subculture, and I'm going to be using the shade Dawn to lighten up my brow bone area. So I'm blending out my crease area some more with no additional products. Now I'm applying the shade Sponsored from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Aina palette onto my lids. I had this palette for a while, but it's my first time using this shade. I always like to have my outfits match my makeup. Now I'm taking a little bit of Credit again and I'm touching up the outer corners. So now I'm taking Soleil from the same Anastasia Beverly Hills Aina palette and placing it in my tear duct area. Okay, so now I'm going to be applying my favorite mascara like so. So now I'm going to be applying my favorite eyelash glue like so, and I'm going to let it get tacky for about 30 seconds. After I applied my glue, I'm applying my eyelashes that I've gotten from my beauty supply store that's nearby. So now I'm going to be applying a brown eyeliner on my lower lash line and waterline. Now I'm going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills Aina palette again in the shade of Credit, and I'm going to blend it out. So I'm blending my eyeshadow out again with no additional products. Now that my eyes are all done, I went ahead and applied my primer off camera, and I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation like so. The combination of those three palettes I had used for my eyes are great for creating seasonal smoky eyes. What better way to start the fall season by doing fall makeup looks? So now I'm going to be applying and blending out my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Deep Tan Honey. I applied just a little too much, but it's okay because I'm going to be blending it out with a sponge anyway. Fresh and natural looking skin is always in season. So I'm blending out that concealer by using my same foundation brush. So I'm going to be using one of my custom-made blush palette and contour palettes, and I'm going to use that dark brown contouring shade like so. This dark brown shade has a cream finish, and I'm using it right before I set it with powder products. So I'm going to be blending that out using my same foundation brush again. Now I'm setting my foundation and concealer in place by using Beauty Bakerie's translucent powder in the shade Oat. Now I'm making sure to press it in really well into the skin. Now I'm setting my cream contour in place by using Black Radiance powder in the shade Ebony. This shade is really dark, so I make sure to use a small amount. Next I'm going to be applying a blush from the same highlight, contour, and blush palette. So now I'm going to be highlighting my cheekbones using the same contour, blush, and highlight palette. Now I'm going to be applying my face powder called the MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NW45 to blend out my contour, blush, and highlight together. Now the one thing I love about this step is that it helps me make sure I blend out all of the harsh edges. So I'm setting my entire face by using Urban Decay's All Nighter setting spray. Now I'm going to be applying my favorite nude lip liner in the shade Cork by MAC. Now I'm going to be using my custom-made lipstick palette, and I'm going to be applying MAC's Yash Lipstick like so. Now I know I've done some green looks in the past, but I decided to create a neutral version of it, and it's also perfect for the fall season. Well, the look is complete. I sure hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and find it inspiring and helpful. If you like this video, feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, take care, stay blessed, y'all.